Painting a composite deck during an exterior house painting project can work, but it requires specific products and careful preparation to avoid adhesion and longevity problems. Composite decking is engineered to resist moisture and fading, so it often rejects conventional paints and stains. But manufacturers sometimes approve specific coating systems and solid color deck coatings designed for composites. Start by checking the deck manufacturer recommendations and product technical data sheets for compatible paints or stains and required surface prep. Clean the surface thoroughly with a composite deck cleaner and a stiff brush to remove dirt, oils, and mold. Then rinse and allow to dry for at least 48 hours or according to product guidance. If the composite has a factory-applied embossed or textured cap layer, lightly scuff sand with a fine grit pad to increase mechanical key without removing thin cap layers, and always vacuum and tack cloth before coating. Use a small test patch at least 1 square foot in an inconspicuous area. Follow full cure times and observe for several weeks across temperature swings to confirm adhesion and color change. Prefer products labeled as solid color deck coatings or elastomeric coatings formulated for low porosity synthetic substrates, and apply thin multiple coats rather than one thick coat to prevent peeling and bubbling. Homeowners often try using standard exterior house paint, which then peels from the low absorption composite surface. Avoid that by using manufacturer approved or composite specific systems and testing first. Another common issue is inadequate cleaning and sanding, which leads to poor adhesion. Fix this by following a strict cleaning, drying, and light scuffing regimen and rechecking the surface before coating. A third frequent concern is heat retention and color change on dark repaint jobs, causing warping or excessive softening. Mitigate that by choosing lighter colors, thin coats, and checking the composite maker's temperature and solar reflectance recommendations. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around renovation topics like painting and composite decking, and our site helps people find local contractors and post-project experiences. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others. And we use our network to help contractors find work and build their reputations.